Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the project management tool integration Trello. Click on the Trello and you are landed to a screen where you can mention the Trello API key and the redirection URL. Click on Next and you are landed to a screen where you can select the list of the project that is in the Trello and whatever project you want to link up with this project that has come up from the Trello account. Click on Import and the syncing happens, and you can do it by clicking on Import. The syncing happens and the status can be checked by clicking on Refresh. The last sync, the time and the date is represented here for your better understanding. Once this is done, the list of the projects and their respective tasks with the project name and description and the comments are loaded into the Workstatus from the Trello. So this was all about the Trello integration. Thank you.